Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. I have a problem. I have not a reservation starting.
Oh,
It's
so you
just
will be, yes, please speak up.
the person is just busy phoning right now actually. So I'm so sorry about that. But I'd love to chat with you again.
All right, it's possible that you can call me later on.
I can't call you, unfortunately, but I can message you.
All right. Uh,
Okay.
how long it will take?
It will take a half an hour.
Okay. All
But
right.
then I'm going off, so I can only do it again tomorrow.
Oh, okay. All right. All right.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Okay, bye-bye.
Hello,
Hi.
how are you? Are you there?
Hello. Are you hearing me properly, ma'am?
I can hear you now. Can you hear me?
But somehow I'm not getting your voice.
I think it's the network because you're also on and off. Hello?
Mm,
Hello?
I'm not hearing anything.
Okay, it must be the network.
Hello.
Hi.
How
How are
are
you?
you? You're sideways.
Oh, now it's okay.
Yay! Welcome to Cambly. My name is
Thank you.
Monica. What's your name?
Thank you. My name is Khushbu. Nice to meet you. Where are you calling from, ma'am?
I'm calling from the United States. How about yourself?
Uh, from India. You might know this.
Uh-huh. I'm sorry, you started breaking up. I might notice.
Know it that on your street. I'm from India.
Uh-huh. Um, and your name, can you tell me how to say your name again, please?
It's Khushbu. Spells
What?
Kushh. You can call me. No problem. You can call.
Sorry, you started breaking up. I can call you.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking. What's your name?
My name is Khushbu. You can call me Khushi or Khushbu, whatever you might feel comfortable in calling.
Kushi. Nice to meet you, Kushi. You can call me Des.
Uh, all right. Dash. That's
And
how to spell it?
Des.
Okay, the dash.
Yeah,
Okay, now it's
short for Desmond. But my
all right.
friends call me Des.
Oh,
Where do you
that's
come
good.
from, Kushi?
I am calling from India,
Hmm.
Delhi NCR. Where are
Where?
you from?
Well, I was born in South Africa, but I lived in England for 20 years, and now I live in Vietnam.
Oh, now you are presently in Vietnam.
That's correct. Yes, I'm an English teacher here.
That's good. Okay, so it's Independence Day here in India. You might know this. It's 15th August, Independence Day. So, yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you so much.
And what kind
Okay,
of
so
celebrations?
sorry, I didn't get you properly. Will you please
I
repeat it again?
apologize. I was just asking in what ways do you celebrate Independence Day?
In what way? We have sting and a speech from Prime Minister at Red Fort, which is our monument, one of the monuments. It would be a proud moment for each one of us, each one of Indians. Yes.
I
You,
understand.
I'm not seeing you because it might be your camera is not working properly.
Okay, I can see you.
So there is some kind of technical problem might be going.
Okay, you can try calling again if you want.
Oh, all right, no problem. Thank
All
you.
right, I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
All right, thank you.
Okay.